Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Since resources track who and what is needed to complete a project's tasks, the first type of resource you will learn to create is also the most commonly used, the work resource. Work resources show who completes task work in a project file and what equipment is used to complete the task. People resources can either be specific, like a specific person with a unique or necessary skill required to finish a task, for example John Doe, or they can be general, like the name of a general type of worker needed to complete a task, for example an electrician. Either way, you enter the work resources, their availability and associated cost as a resource in your project file. In a later chapter, you will then learn how to assign these resources to tasks within a project and let Microsoft Project schedule the work assignments as needed. First, switch the view of your project file to the Resource Sheet view to see any resources for the project file. This view lets you enter, edit, and delete project resources. As when entering tasks, you have a couple of options for the method you use to enter project resources. One way is to click into the next available blank row in the Resource Sheet view and then enter the work resource information directly into the cells shown. Note that you must select the Work option from the Type Columns drop-down menu to classify this resource as a work resource. Then enter any additional detailed data you need to record for the work resource. Another way to enter work resources is to double-click the next available blank row, or click into the next blank row, and then click the Resource Information button that appears in the Properties button group on the Resource tab in the ribbon. Either way, you can then enter the resource details into the Resource Information dialog box that appears. The Resource Information dialog box shows all the available options for resource creation in Microsoft Project. First, enter a name for the resource into the Resource Name field. You can also enter a group to which this resource belongs by typing the desired group into the Group field. This lets you sort and categorize resources. Next, select Work from the Type drop-down. This indicates that this is a work resource. Then enter any other project resource information into the General tab, and click the OK button within the Resource Information dialog box to save the work resource.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.